What?
Oh, keep it going. I still need to study for Spanish.
Oh, the quiz, isn't it?
Test.
Test. Kidding.
The way you move is like a full-on rainstorm. I'm a house of cards. You're the kind of reckless that should send me running, but I kinda know that I won't get far. And you stood there in front of me, just close enough to touch, close enough to hope you couldn't see what I was thinking of.